Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC coupe. This one's black. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with a sports package with 19-inch multi-spoke AMG wheels, diamond style grille, illuminated star, front and rear LED daytime running lights, sports exterior and interior look. Cranberry red leather interior with a natural grain oak wood trim, panorama sunroof, spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging, blind spot assist, opening up the trunk, got a set of all season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, illuminated door sill, premium 2 package with Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, memory seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, garage door openers, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 39,654 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC coupe, check out feldmanimports.com.